go. Okay.
Hi, I just got Windows from Zen Windows, and dealing with them has been a pleasure, to say the least. I initially tried salesmen coming into my house, and it was such a exhausting task of figuring out everything, and I finally went to the internet and stumbled onto Zen Windows and gave Dennis a call. And he was very pleasant to work with, very easy, understood everything about Windows, and because it's such a pleasant experience, I said, well, I'm going to go ahead and do this. And I did, and it's been just what I thought. It's been pleasant all the way through. Eddie came in, measured my windows, got everything going. We ordered the windows, and they're here today putting them in, and they're great. I could see the difference already between my old windows and my new windows, and the installation. They've come in and taken out the old, put in the new, and done it in very clean, thorough, and a quality job.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
What do you think, Puppy? Puppy, what's your name?
You're disrupting my normal life.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No,
Wait a
it's
minute. Are you organic or you're vegetarian? Oh,